Environmental sustainable design is a complex technical subject that covers a range of issues such as land use, restriction of CO2 emissions and pollution, minimizing waste and transportation, water efficiency, biodiversity, and the promotion of user health and well-being. These issues affect us all, and with the advent of global warming, this subject is hugely important. LSI Architects gained the commission for a sustainable design guide for the Broads Authority because of our knowledge and expertise on this subject. The guide is tailor-made for the Broads Authority, relating to the topography, location, and needs of the Broads. A major objective of the guide is that it can be read by lay people as well as construction professionals. It is therefore written and graphically designed to be clear and easily understood. The guide is incorporated in a DVD case, in a brochure form, and on a CD. The CD enables the guide to be read in A4 format and printed if necessary. It was intended that the graphic language of the guide should reflect its content. A landscape format for the brochure was considered to be most appropriate, and the introductory pages take the theme of a journey along the Broad, with information appearing like objects in the landscape. The design of the guide incorporates hand-drawn sketches with handwritten text to enable the guide to be accessible and informal, enabling a cross-section of the community from school children to property developers to not feel overwhelmed with the subject matter. The guide incorporates icons within the pages that appear like symbols on washing powder instructions. These enable the user to understand what environmental impact the topic being discussed has, where the issues have high or low cost, and if relevant, what the cost return of an installation might be. Set out in 3 sections, the guide introduces the main issues of sustainable design in the Broads. In the second section, Principles and Cost Return, the main topics are described and illustrated on a page-by-page basis. The final section, Case Studies, examines the principles of sustainable design in theoretical case studies across 4 Broad-specific landscape characters. This provides the opportunity to see which technologies work best together on specific locations. The CD component also has links to constantly updated websites that relate to the topics discussed in the guide. This is in itself a sustainable way of accessing up-to-date information without the need for costly reprints. As a package, the guide is a precious, accessible source of reference, which is intended to bring about an essential cultural change.